some of what you get on the D. McDonald Designs Payhip printed out page and what I've done. Christmas cards, handmade, homemade, ho ho ho. Plenty, lots of choices and inserts, cards, fitting A9 envelope size. A link will follow. Looking at it. Oh, Christmas tree. Snowman. Color them or send them uncolored. Something for the recipient to do for the holidays. This is also really wonderful to work on all year round. So you have a nice collection. There's colored paper printed off. There is a free master page of the cards. They're watermark pages, but they work out really good for downloading because it's a big file. And when you make the purchase, you get sent this cute little gnome card. And here's the gnome colored many different ways. And then you also have the ability to put these together and create little miniature, not that little, but nice sized coloring books. Here's one of my attempts as I work on it. I used staples and duct tape to put the edge on. And you can put as many pages as you'd like inside, because when you buy this, you get the opportunity to print it over and over and over again. So there's a look at just some of the cards available to print out. Just some. And the insert pages. And the pages that can be used to make books or to even cut them apart. And do whatever you like with them. Thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching.